Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix no sound on TV when connected to laptop with HDMI in Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together. Again, it is Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here you need to type services .msc, then click on OK to continue. Once you have successfully opened the services, click anywhere of the service and system and type W so that you would be redirected to the service or system starting with letter W. Here you need to go with Windows Audio. Okay, do a right click, proceed to Properties, and here in this new window, proceed to General, go with Startup Type, and change this into Automatic. So if you, in your case, you have set it into Automatic Delayed Start, manual or disabled, change it into automatic, apply, and then OK. Once done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay. Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our second step, which is here at the start icon, do a right click, scroll up and go with device manager. Okay, so here in the device manager window, you need to expand it first and proceed to audio inputs and outputs. Click this forward arrow, proceed to speakers, do a right click and go with update driver. So here it will opt you to choose two options, which are search for automatically and search for manually. Proceed to the first one, and if your computer says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, proceed to search for updated drivers in Windows. So this will update the speakers driver. Just have to complete the procedure and restart your computer and I'm sure it will be fixed. Okay? So third solution or method that I could recommend you is at the start icon again, navigate the same process which is to open device manager. Okay, and expand it first to see things clearly. Proceed to audio inputs and outputs. Click this forward arrow. Proceed to speakers. Okay. Do a right click. Go with update driver. And this time you need to proceed to browse my computer for drivers. Click in it and go with let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here you would see the different drivers that you have in your Windows or computer. Just try one by one. Click on next, restart your computer and go with the second. Click on next, restart your computer. I'm sure it will, it is a very time consuming steps, but I'm sure it will fix your problem. Just observe what driver would work for you, and let's say this second one will work for your problem, then go with this and there you go. Okay, so the next method that I could recommend you is again, go with this start icon, go with device manager. Okay, expand it first. Okay, go with audio inputs and outputs. Click this forward arrow, proceed to speakers, do a right click, and go with uninstall device. Okay, so click on uninstall device to proceed your action to confirm it. Okay, so don't worry because once you have uninstalled your device, just have to restart your computer, and the moment you've relaunched your computer again, it will definitely be installed automatically in your Windows or computer. So no worries for that, and it will fix your problem. Okay? So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.